In this worked example, we've got two wires that carry different currents for a different amount of time, and we want to calculate the ratio of the total charge that flows through wire A compared to the charge that goes through wire B. Now, the equation we're going to use says that Q is equal to IT, sometimes written as delta Q equals I delta T. And we can look at the charge that goes through wire A, because that's going to be the current in wire A, which in this case is 2.0, multiplied by the time of 5.0, which is equal to 10 coulombs. And if we compare that to wire B, this is equal to 3.0 times 2.0, which is 6.0 coulombs. And that means if we now want to look at the ratio of the charge in wire A divided by the charge in wire B, that's equal to 10 divided by 6, which is the same as 5 over 3, or 1 2/3, which would be 1.66667. So I think this would be, to two significant figures, equal to 1.7, and no units for that. So in this case, the ratio of QA to QB would just be simply equal to 1.7. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of a mini course which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.